testimonies of all the other actors here. Barbie is an actor's actor. And to those of you who don't know what that means, it's the best and most, I guess, pinaka masarap sa feeling bilang isang aktor is may makatrabaho kang isa pang aktor na pinapadelay yung trabaho mo. Very generous, sobrang giving. Work ethic niya is crazy. She's the first to arrive sa aming lahat. 30 minutes to an hour before her call time, she's there.
May pang kape para sa amin.
Oh, mahilig pa magpakape. And yun, sobrang generous. Binibigyan niya talaga lahat per se. And I think ang pinaka-takeaway is how she gets to inspire the future generations of actors to carry the same type of work ethic. Because we need more actors in our industry.
Yan, thank you.
Ate!
Happy birthday, Barbie! We are so happy to celebrate your birthday with you today. Okay, so we're not only celebrating Barbie's birthday, we are also celebrating, of course, Saving Cherry. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, eto naman, syempre, we have some questions here for you guys. Let's start things off with Barbie. Okay,
2 months bago pa. So, hindi, sabi ko lang, Gcash ko na lang sa kanya. Pagdating ng press con, sabihin mo yan lahat. No, I worked with Direk Ivan on Love vs. Stars before. And I remember clearly my experience there working with him. It was such a great experience kasi he really values the actor and director collaboration, which I love. Sobrang sarap ka-work ni Direk Ivan. So when I actually didn't know that you were directing, nauna yung script. Nauna yung script at sinabi na si Barbie yung si Cherry. Tapos I said, yeah, okay, let's do it. Tapos nung nakita ko ng si Derek Evan, lalong, oh my gosh, reunion project game, super game. So yeah, tas nalaman ko na lang later on that when he was writing, he was thinking of me. Pero hanggang dun lang, hindi dahil alam niya cheater ako eh. Hindi yun, not true to life.
I love it.
Nung binabasa na namin yung mga, the funniest moments in the script, nasa isip ko agad, patay, kagulo to. As in, ang gulo nito. Kasi, yung comedy sa part ko, hindi ka sa punchline matatawa sa akin. It's the circumstance of what my character goes through. Sila, may liberty silang magpatawa, mag-adlib. So yung pinaka-challenge sa akin, hindi tumawa. As in, ang daming moments, hindi ko mabilang na lahat sila pagka naging unhinged na. Binigyan kasi ni Direk ng liberty yung actors to, just unleash whatever you want to unleash. I remember the very first day, there was one moment, one scene, na parang si Direk mahilig bumulong. Bubulong siya ng off-script to certain characters na surprise gagawin during the take. So I had no idea kung ano yung gagawin nila. Gulatan na lang. So yun nga, hindi ako pwedeng tumawa, hindi ako pwedeng mo off character. So yun yung pinaka-challenge sa akin. But I mean, napamura na lang ako. But yeah, it was such a really great experience to be able to witness firsthand how close they became while shooting the film. Kasi sobrang genuine, sobrang natural ng connection nila. As in, when you would do scenes with them, parang naniniwala ako. Sobrang tight-knit na barkada sila. Yun. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Hello.
Hello.
I'm Khalil and I play the role of Jude here in the film, the cheating husband. Do cheaters deserve a second chance? There's a long answer and there's a short answer. I'll say the short answer. I believe no. Simply because I think it is impossible to restore the relationship after breaking the trust and the respect. Yun lang.
Imperfect, pero nakakaawa pa din. Yung parang kasi ang bait-bait niyang tao and the way he approached Jude with so much sincerity and sobrang human na hindi lang kasi siya cheating husband when you watch him. Like, you may-humanize mo, not to may-humanize the cheaters, but you get a sense of depth pa rin, why he's doing what he's doing somehow. Parang ganon. So, yun lang yung medyo clear. Kaya nung nagkakaroon ng casting, lagi kong sinasuggest, Khalil lang po, Khalil po. Saka siguro yung si Kokoy. Kasi nga, I've worked with Kokoy. So, yung role niya, nakita naman sa trailer ko anong role niya, walang kahirap-hirap yun. Oo, parang natural lang sa kanya yung ganon. So, joke lang. Hardest role daw nito eh. I think yun sabi niya sa akin, direct sobrang hirap ng role ko dito.
Akong babae, tatanong ko lang po kung nakita niyo siya.
Ayun na, may dumaan.
Mga ganito po siya katangkad, nakapula, medyo maingay, medyo galit. Nakita niyo ba siya? Sa holding area pa? Shit, sorry. Saan siya na?
Grabe, napakabongga. Oh my gosh. Pero, okay. Next up, of course, our head of creatives of Regal Entertainment, Sir JP Abellera. Hi po, Sir JP. We have here our co-writer, Patrick Tabada. Hello, Sir Patrick. We have our director and writer, Direct Ivan Payawan. Of course, playing Josh Almario, JC Alcantara. Yes. Playing Beth Guyo, Mikey Quintos.
First time mo makapag-sex. Lagyan mo naman ng konting enthusiasm. Amen.
Playing Marta Solano, Sasa Girl.
Hindi tayo ng founder. You question our loyalty.
Okay, playing Ingrid Torres, we have AC Bonifacio.
Ako, hindi ba kayo natatakot? Yeah.